Hey Tom, this is Jackie Otwell and I own Maxhouse Marketing. I'm basically an SEO specialist and I perform audits on small business websites and then compare to their competitors in the area to see how we can bring you more business through your online domain. I'm going to cover 3 free topics in this video to help you increase the traffic to your website and to outrank your competitors. First off, I think your website aesthetic is great and I really appreciate the family photo incorporated. I really think that targets local markets and or other small business owners as well. Okay, moving on to the tips. First topic I'm going to cover is content. What I'm going to do here is to pull all of the content off your homepage. Content is any words, verbiage, etc. on your homepage. So what I'm going to do is I am going to pull all of your content and I am going to put it in my word counter. This brings your homepage to 374 words. Google actually recommends you having around 1,000 to 2,000 words for your homepage. This is due to the fact that all of these words can be incorporating main Google search keywords that are going to bring in buyer intent customers. So we could add all of those up, stick them in more content, which would pull your rank up, pull you up in more searches, etc. That leads me to our second topic, which is keywords. I went ahead and Googled the top ranked HVAC company in Portland, Texas. Up here is just some ads, which you can see that Maxhouse is actually doing Google ads. However, this is the organic section. This is where we start counting the ranks. These first 2 are directory links, which they are great. We would add you to those as well if you're not already. This is the first independent organic website that comes up, which is Call HVAC. So I went ahead and I put that website into this tool that I use called AirFS, which basically shows us the logistics of why other sites are ranking higher than you, therefore receiving more traffic. So I went ahead and I put their website into AirFS. Right off the bat, you can see that they have 98 organic keywords. So I went ahead and I started looking at these keywords and I see that they have a lot of local market targeted keywords. AC repair Corpus Christi, air conditioning Corpus Christi, Corpus Christi, Corpus Christi. I did notice right off the bat that they could add in several more towns to pull that in. So I went ahead and then I put your site into AirFS. We only have 45 organic keywords, which is about half, less than half of what Maxhouse has. Now some of yours, for example, heating service near me, airconditioning.com, Bell HVAC, air conditioning, the ones that don't have cities attached to them, those are nationwide keywords. What this means is that basically someone in Oregon could Google air conditioning near me, heating service near me, and your company is going to come up. Now those aren't buyer intent keywords, meaning someone in Oregon who Googles you probably isn't going to use you. What we want to do is we want to add in local market targeted keywords. I've seen in here that there's Rockport, there's Aransas Pass, I think I saw Portland and Corpus Christi. I didn't see Ingleside, I didn't see Port Aransas, I didn't see Taft, I didn't see Odom, I didn't see Sinton. Those are all areas that you could be targeting and pulling in that business. Lastly, let's talk about backlinks. So backlinks are basically any referring links to your page online. A lot of these are directory links, which means yellow pages, Yelp, etc. The way we begin outranking your competitors is by going and finding all of the backlinks that they have and adding us to those backlinks as well. That puts us on a level playing field, but that is not what we want. We want to keep adding more and more backlinks and citations monthly to absolutely blow your competition out of the water. However, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, let's look. You have 155 backlinks from 34 referring domains. This means that 34 websites have your website linked somewhere in them 155 times. Let's go and look at their backlinks. So they only have 81 backlinks from 16 referring domains. However, the instance that I'm referring to, in which not all backlinks are created equal, although they have less backlinks and less referring domains, they must have higher powered backlinks. Their traffic value is at 2.4K, whereas I believe yours is $333. So what that means is we would go and add higher powered backlinks, and it would completely blow them out of the water. So hopefully this information has been informative to you. Like I said, you're free to take these tips and incorporate them yourself, get to climbing the ranks, and hopefully bringing in more business. If you have any more questions or you like what you see, feel free to reach out to me anytime, which I will slip my number into the email as well, but it is also 361-658-1632. And if you choose to not use them, no harm, no foul. I just appreciate it if you could provide some feedback to you. Anyways, thanks, Tom, and I hope to talk to you soon.